Good afternoon. No change really with the Dow. You can see the monthly charts were extremely poor in December. I can't really see it changing a great deal as we enter January. Yes, we picked up yesterday or on the week, the first week that we was trading, the last week in, Christmas time. But, where can we go with this? At the moment, we're trading below all of the pivot points except for the weekly, but the monthly and the daily we are below. At the moment, we are trading at 22965, which is slightly up on the weekly pivot of 22718. But at the end of the day, this really does look very limited to where it can go on the top side. I think it's going to struggle here at the monthly pivot between here and here, which is the 23.6 of the move up from 2016. So I can't see any real reason why we should rush out and buy the Dow at the moment. I just think at the moment, until it becomes a little bit clearer, and while we're below still significant resistance, we have to utilise any rallies to just sell into. I do think that if we did break higher, what would be the break point? Well, for me, the first break point would be that 9-week moving average, and that's coming in at 24382, which is above the 23.6. So for me, that's where it's got to break to have any further impact on the top side. All it would be doing if we couldn't break that above that area is just retracing some of the weakness that has been posted in December. But let's take a look at the daily chart and see if we can shed a bit more further light on it. And again, you can see that once it bounced from here, it hit the 38.2. Now that's coming in, if I scroll that across, at 233.41. So we're, quite a way away from that at the moment. If we open up at current levels, and this is, just at current levels, if we open up, we are going to be just slightly below that first moving average, that 9-day moving average, just slightly below it. So we need to take that into consideration also. We look to the weekly pivot of 22718 and we just have a look and see what it does there. If it goes through that moving average support down there, as I pointed out, at 22944. So we're at 22965 at the moment. We've got less than 15 minutes to open. If we do break that 38.2 fib level, you've got that monthly pivot coming in here at 23673. Now you've got that 50% fib level there as well. So although it can be done, normally markets retrace 38.2, as I've always said. It's done that. It seems to look to have failed at that. But today I think is the first day that we've seen the market all come back to work. So let's see how we go on the open. Let's see what happened. But if we do stay where we are at the moment, then you've got more chance of it trading lower than you have of it trading higher. You can see where the indicators are. You can see those three that we used there. They are off the floor given the recent move up. So then, but they're not overbought as yet. But, they are neutral, and bear markets and bull markets can turn quite quickly off of neutral levels. Good luck for this afternoon. I'll catch you tomorrow.